In this quick video, I'll show you how to start a village and get yourself some villages in LEGO Fortnite. First of all, you'll need to craft yourself a village square. For this, we'll need 10 wood and 10 granite. And eventually, we can craft ourselves the village square. We'll place this anywhere nearby, and you can see an area outlined of where our village will be. I'll place it down here. We can choose an icon and a color and confirm it. Just like that. We've now unlocked a few more recipes, including different walls, stairs, fences, supports, roofs, as well as different structures like a double shack and a log lookout. On top of this, on the utility tab, you'll also see a map marker. It's useful to place around the world to mark locations on the map. Now that you've placed down your village center, we'll need to hang around for a villager to come and visit. This will happen pretty much randomly, so continue with the rest of your adventures and return back to your base once in a while, keeping an extra bed open so you can assign it to the villagers when you recruit them. Eventually, a villager will appear, you can speak to them, and shortly after, recruit them to your village to help you. All we need to do is put down a bed for them. So I'll ask them to live in my village, but you will need an extra bed, otherwise they'll show themselves the door. As someone joined me, I'll need to place down a bed, for which we need a bit more wood. With a bit more wood in hand, let's hope that they're still here. So we'll put down another bed, and now we should be able to invite them. So speaking to them, we'll invite them to live here, and just like that, after clicking yes, we've now invited them to our village. Checking the village center, you can see an overview of your members, and on top of that, get to upgrade it or give them jobs by speaking to them. So, speaking to them, we can talk jobs and either get them to explore with us or do something here with us. For now, I'll choose Let's Explore, and they'll head around with us, helping us in combat, etc. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. This is starting your village in LEGO Fortnite. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!